Hello. So my name is Butter, and today I'm going to read a different book. It's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. So last time it's written by Mo Willems, I think. So last time I read this book too, but it's a different story. Today, this book. Let's begin. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want to achoo. Yes? Achoo. A what? Achoo. A ball, a swim, a hat? Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo. I cannot stop achoo. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Achoo. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. A new people. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Well, Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Third, I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Whoa. So you can read this book. I'm going to read you all this about book. So this is the end of the story, and next time I can read a different of this story, and yeah. So please subscribe and click the bell and subscribe, and if you want to go to my channel, you just have to spell butter and reading this book. So this is the end of the video. You want to see more video, just click the bell and subscribe. Bye bye.